National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, Noble County in northeastern Indiana, northern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ligonier to near Syracuse to near North Webster, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind.